UCM, we're really in the sweet spot in terms of the student experience, right? We're big enough to offer just an immense array of high-level music-making opportunities, professional, development opportunities, but we're also small enough to still have that close faculty mentorship and that really deep connection with individual students as we prepare each of them for their unique career paths. Students here are really hardworking, they love music, and many of them are training to be future music educators like I was once upon a time in the K-12 realm, or to be at the forefront of music technology or all these different career paths. They're excited to be studying what they're doing and passionate about the art form. And then the faculty are incredible. It's just an honor to be surrounded by so many people who are brilliant at what they do, who are creative and intelligent, and who care deeply about the students and their futures. One of the coolest things about being a musician is that there's nothing that's not possible. We deal in sound, and there are so many sounds that have yet to be explored, so many pieces that have yet to be written. And so whether that's the music technology program here, which is extraordinary, or whether that's exploring new music with the wind ensemble, or student compositions, or whether that's revisiting an old piece that maybe hasn't been framed or realized in a certain way. The arts are always looking forward. We're always creating and responding to the world that we're living in and thinking, what's next? What hasn't been done? Our goal is to be relevant, to give our students really dynamic performance opportunities, to make music in such a way that our audience will receive it and be affected and be changed, and hopefully that music is exciting. That's what the arts are about. I love making music. I love teaching music. Anything that is hands-on, that is just engaging in the art form, the sound, the feeling, the energy, it makes the world a better place. I've never met someone on this planet that doesn't love music.